Hi. I developed a unit to help my third grade students understand the meaning of multiplication. They had several different opportunities to learn various strategies to use to solve a multiplication problem. During this unit, I used several formative assessments such as a gallery walk, exit tickets, quick writes, think paired shared, and we also created a game, a multiplication game to play with the class. As a final summative assessment, each student created a PowerPoint with 7 slides showing all the different ways that we learn to solve a multiplication problem. In the video ahead, you will see my third grade students demonstrating their favorite ways to solve a multiplication problem. Enjoy!
If I was doing 9 times 6, I'd do it like this. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
If you were doing 8 times 5, what would you do?
I would do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
So you can use the hundreds chart to solve multiplication problems.
We're gonna show you how to use a times table.
Could you show us 2 times 7?
You go from the 2 down to the 7,
So-
which shows you 14.
Great. Jackson, will you show us how to do 5 times 9?
Go to the 5 and go down to the 9, and that equals 45.
Would you show us how to do 6 times 6?
You go from here all the way down to here, and it shows you 36.
Nice. And let's do 8 times 7.
You go to the 8 and you go down 7, and you get 56.
Thank you, children.
To use repeated addition problems to solve multiplication.
Would you two show me how to solve the problem 6 times 5? So what did you get for the answer? 30. And there's 2 ways to do it, huh? Thank you.
I would like to show you why multiplication and division are opposites. Because 4 times 8 equals 32, and then 32 divided by 8 equals 4, and they're just backwards and forwards, and then there's 2 times 20, 2 times 12 equals 24. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. And 2 times 4 equals 8. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2.
I would like to show you a multiplication problem by using a picture.
Would you show us 2 times 7? Thank you so much, Kaden. These girls will show us how to solve a multiplication problem using counters. Would you show us 5 times 3?
I have 5 groups of 3, and I guess you pretty much just count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So 5 times 3 is?
15.
Thank you. Would you show us 7 times 5?
Well, I would make 5 groups of 7 groups of 5. So you can count it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Great. So 7 times 5 is?
35.
Thank you, ma'am.
We're going to show you how to do a fact family using multiplication and division.
Would you do 4 times 8? And would you do 7 times 3? Thank you so much.
We're gonna show you how to use chips with times.
Would you show me the problem? 2 times 8. Jackson, what are you doing there? Explain it to me.
I'm doing 2 groups of 8.
Good. And the answer, boys, is?
16.
Okay, put your chips in the pile. Let's do one more. 3 times 3. And Owen, what's the answer?
9.
9. Thank you. She is going to show us how to use an array to solve a multiplication problem. 3 times 6. So how would you find the answer?
You would count all of them like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Thank you. Great job. Can you show us a way to solve a multiplication problem with cubes? Let's try the problem. 2 times 6. What did you do there?
I counted 2 rows of 6 and I added them together and it was 12.
Good. So 6 times 2 is?
12.
We're going to show you some multiplication tricks.
Like 9 times 7, you would just like take off the 7 and that, and then you would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, no, wait. 1, 2, 3. So then it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 63. And 8 times 8, we have this little rhyming thing. 8 times 8 fell on the floor, got back up was 64. And so if you remember that, you can always know the answer for that one. And also 6 times 6, 6, 2 friends, the sixes were walking in the desert and they got thirsty, so they called themselves the Thirsty Sixes. So that would be 36. And there's also another rhyme, 7 times 7 is like the 49ers.
Thank you, girls.
A drill nut is where it goes in a circle and the guy shouts out a number and we times it by the number in the circle.
Six. 6. 3. 8. 1. 5. 6. 9. 1. 11.